In this video, I'll guide you through how to find the trash can in Basecamp. If you've ever accidentally deleted a project or file in Basecamp and found yourself wondering how to retrieve it, you're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to locate and access the trash can in your Basecamp account. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Basecamp website. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features we'll be discussing. Once you're on the homepage of Basecamp, you'll see a variety of options and tools at your disposal. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming at first. We'll focus on the specific path to find what you need. Now, let's move on to the next step. Look to the left side of your screen and you'll see a menu. In this menu, there's an option called Admin Land. Admin Land is essentially the control center for your Basecamp account where you can manage various settings and features. Go ahead and click on Admin Land. This will take you to a new page where you'll have access to all the administrative tools you might need. Once you're in Admin Land, you'll see several options. What we're interested in is finding out how to see the items that have been deleted. Look for the option that says View Everything in the Trash. Clicking on this will open up a list or a page that contains all the items that have recently been moved to the trash. This includes any files, projects, or documents that might have been accidentally deleted or intentionally moved to the trash by any user with access. Navigating through this list, you can browse and locate the specific item you're looking to restore. Basecamp typically keeps items in the trash for a certain period before they're permanently deleted, so it's always a good idea to check here promptly if you realize something is missing. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to find the trash can in Basecamp. By following these steps, you can easily recover any misplaced or deleted items, ensuring your projects and files are always in order. Remember, regularly checking the trash can be a useful habit, especially in collaborative environments where multiple team members have access to the same resources. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it makes your Basecamp experience smoother and more efficient. If you enjoyed the video or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your team or anyone who might find this guide useful. See you in the next video.